Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the best candidate. Higher contrast and edge clarity give cleaner transparency. Once you find a promising result, prefer PNG when available because it may already include alpha. If only JPG exists, download the largest version. Make sure to save a copy. Now open that file in your editor or an online remover. This first step reduces artifacts later and speeds background removal by providing clear subject separation from the background. Next, perform the removal. Use an automatic tool for quick results, but switch to manual selection when edges are complex. You want clean alpha channels. Once selected, refine the mask. Expand or contract by a pixel or two and apply slight feathering to avoid hard halos. Make sure to inspect hair and semi-transparent regions and use a soft brush for fine cleanup. Save your progress often on a duplicate layer so you can revert if a tweak over or undercuts the subject. Finally, export properly. Choose PNG 24 or WebP to preserve the alpha channel and export at the same resolution you edited. Once exported, test the file on light and dark backgrounds to reveal any remaining halos or semi-opaque edges. If you see fringe or color mats, reopen the mask, use edge decontamination, or paint with a low-opacity brush to sample nearby colors. If artifacts persist, slightly increase feather and refine the selection, then re-export and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.